I've seen a lot of mornings, watched a lot of sunsets fade, met some people I'll remember, made some memories on the way. I've laughed until my sides hurt, I've dreamed bigger than before, and every year that passes makes me thankful even more. I don't need to have it all to know how rich I've been. When I look at all the love that this life has given me, I've got more blessings than I can count, more reasons to smile than I can name. Every road brought something beautiful, every year gave something to me. And if tomorrow brings another sunrise, there's still so much I want to see. When I look back at this life I'm living, it's been a blessing to me. There are faces at my table, there are voices I still hear, there are friends who made me laugh, and family I hold dear. There are places I remember, there are roads I've yet to find, and I'm grateful for the memories, but I'm not living behind. Because yesterday was beautiful, but tomorrow calls my name. And as long as I'm still breathing, there are memories left to make. I've got more blessings than I can count, more reasons to smile than I can name. Every road brought something beautiful, every year gave something to me. And if tomorrow brings another sunrise, there's still so much I want to see. When I look back at this life I'm living, it's been a blessing to me. Here's to the morning still to come, here's to the songs still left to sing, here's to another open road, and whatever tomorrow brings. I'm thankful for where I've been, but I'm excited for where I'm going. The best part of this life may be the part I haven't lived yet. I've got more blessings than I can count, more reasons to smile than I can name. Every road brought something beautiful, and I wouldn't trade those days. If tomorrow brings another sunrise, I'll thank God for another day. Because this life has been a blessing, and there's more coming my way. More mornings, more memories, more roads I've yet to see. I'm thankful for the life I've lived, and the life still waiting for me.